Cheesy chicken, half moon recipe. Welcome back. Today, I will be sharing a simple yet delicious Ramadan iftar snack recipe. It's creamy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's get started. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a clean bowl. Add a half teaspoon of butter. Add half cup of hot water. Mix them and let the butter melt. Once the butter has melted, add 1 cup of flour. Mix them using your hands and knead the dough. I'm dividing the dough into 2 bowls. Set it aside for 10 minutes. Take chicken pieces in a bowl and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a half teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste. Mix them together. Set aside for a few minutes. Add some oil to a pan and fry the chicken pieces in it. Stirring it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Now the chicken has become dry, you can turn off the flame. Add chopped coriander leaves to a bowl, 2 chopped green chilies, grated cabbage, 1 chopped onion. Add the smashed fried chicken we prepared earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, grated mozzarella cheese. Mix everything together. The chicken filling is ready. Roll the dough with a rolling pin to shape it. Cut it into small circles. Place the filling in the center of the circles. Apply the flour paste around the edge of the circle to seal it. Press the edges together to seal the filling inside. Crack an egg into a bowl. Add salt to taste. Add chili flakes, black pepper. Mix everything well. Dip the stuffed dough in the egg mixture, then coat it with breadcrumbs or oats. Fry them over medium heat until they turn golden brown. This creamy iftar recipe is an absolute must-try, especially during Ramadan. Whether you're hosting guests or simply enjoying a cozy meal at home, this dish is sure to delight everyone with its rich flavor and creamy texture. Don't miss out. The cheesy chicken half moons are ready. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.